So we'll be targeting the pecs with the foam roller in this session. The pecs are made up of your pec minor and your pec major. The pec minor is a little deeper. It does kind of insert onto that shoulder blade, which at times, if it's tight and there's a contracture, can kind of pull and roll us forward. So to kind of lengthen it and kind of work that tissue, we're going to lay down on the roller here and do somewhat of a soft tissue release technique. So to really work the fibers, you want to have the roller in between your chest and your shoulder joint. Try not to put too much pressure on your shoulder joint. You want to really focus on kind of getting onto that meaty portion of your pecs. And you're going to start with your thumb kind of pointed in towards you, and you're going to kind of rotate while you're coming up and working those fibers, cross friction, to kind of really loosen things up and get some blood flowing there.